think of using AI, your first step should always be identify the use case. Why do you even need AI at work? Do you want to save time? Do you want to improve your efficiency? What is your use case? Once you have the use case, identify the right tool for you and then start using it. But how do we identify these use cases? Let's see how. What are you doing? I'm just thinking about this Figma course. Should I buy or should I not? I'm just exploring. But why do you want to buy this Figma course? You're not a designer. Why do you even need it? So I can create the wireframes and give it to my developers. So you want to learn it just so that you can give the designs to your developer? Why don't you hire a designer for that? Why learn and do it yourself? Designers are costly, and this is only $30 for the entire course. Designers are costly. What about the cost of time? I mean, wouldn't you have to invest a lot longer in learning about it and then practicing and then creating wireframes? What about the time it's going to add? And as a result of it, the delay in your production and your development. And what if by the time you actually develop your product, which by the way, maybe right now has no competition because it's a new idea, but by the time you develop, just because of the delay, there comes another company with the same product. And then, just because you have a competitor, you have to invest more into marketing. The time loss, the cost and everything. What about that cost? Now, does that $30 sound cheap to you? You're right. I never thought about it. So what do I do? Hire a designer? But I mean, designer is gonna maybe charge me like $30 for just one wireframe, and it's not like I have to design some only 2, 3 or 5, even 5 hours. I might end up, spending for around 15 to 20 wireframes. That's gonna be a lot of money for me. I don't have it. This is like, oh my god, what do I do? First, don't panic. Why don't you use AI? Use an AI tool that can create UX designs, the wireframes for your project. You might have to spend around $30 in just $30 in a month, and you will get enough wireframes to work on your project, and the learning curve will also not be so huge. You just have to give a prompt, your designs are ready. Today you launch, tomorrow you make your designs ready, day after tomorrow you give it to developers, they start working on it, time saved, money saved, poof, you're done. What about the quality? I'm not a learned designer, or the wireframes that will be generated by UX, will they be perfect? Or quality. Does quality really matter so much? I mean, if you're not giving very perfectly designed wireframes to your developers, will they not be able to develop the solution well? You really need perfection here. Actually, no. I mean, even if I create basic wireframes, like low fidelity ones, I think developers will still be able to do a good job. After all, they'll be coding and not simply copy pasting my designs. You're right. That is indeed a good deal. I should try. I'll try it. Go ahead. This was one of the use cases where you can use AI. Whenever you're looking for an AI solution, always start with a use case. In this example, you saw when you have a trade-off between time and money, AI can be your savior. But at the same time, you have to think, do you really need high level of accuracy? In this case, it was not needed. She needed wireframes just to give it to developers. But what if she needed those designs to directly launch it to the market? Maybe I would not have done here, because in that case, she might look for an actual designer. But if accuracy need not be high, but you have a clear trade-off between time and money and you want to save both, AI can be a great solution for you. So you want to use AI, identify the right use cases, identify the right tool, and start using it. But if you're finding it a little difficult to identify specific use cases, or maybe find out a solution that will fit you, both paid or free, and you want to learn how to use it, and you need some help, some hand-holding in learning the tool, using the tool, and making sure that it gives you perfect results that you're looking for, why don't you join our personalized AI coaching? In this coaching program, what we are going to do is we are going to help you identify all the use cases in your personal or professional life where you can use an AI tool. Then we are going to help you identify all the tools based on your budget, both free and paid. We are going to also teach you these specific tools that will be very useful to you. And not just that, we are going to also handhold you learning, using, applying all the lessons and creating some things. And not just that, you get 20 highly customized prompts that you can use to automate your workflows. And that's not very end. We also give you insights on how to create a GPT. With me, sitting with you, I'm going to help you create a new GPT that will do more than just a small task for you, but it's going to maybe automate a lot of things for you. Help you in a big way, in your way. Imagine your own ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and book a 30-minute slot for me. This slot is completely free. During this discussion, I'm going to tell you what I can do for you and what you can learn from this course, what you can do after that. And then let's have a discussion and let's get started.